You will need yarn, cardboard 11 by 15 centimeters, scissors, a ruler, a pencil, and optional materials are a lollipop stick and sellotape. Don't worry if you don't have yarn, you can experiment by using strips of plastic or even strips of scrap fabric. Step 1. Create your loom out of cardboard. Mark where the slits will be 1 centimeter apart along the top and bottom. Then cut the slits, you should have 10. Step 2. Wind a piece of yarn up and down through the slits. After you've finished, bring the loose bits together in a knot or tape them down on the back. Step 3. Pick your yarn and attach the end to the lollipop stick or pencil with sellotape. Step 4. Weave the yarn from one side of the cardboard to the other. Go over and under each thread of your loom, adding rows until you want to change colour. Make sure to leave enough yarn at the beginning and at the end so you can tie them later. Repeat this step with your other colours. Step 5. Keep weaving until you've reached the bottom of your loom. Use as many colours as you like. You could even try different techniques such as using 2 pieces of yarn at once or plaiting them. Step 6. When you have finished, unhook the yarn from the cardboard. You'll be left with hoops at the top and the bottom of your weave. Pull the ends to get rid of the hoops, or you could cut each one and tie them in knots with the yarn you used for the weave. Either leave it hanging or tie the loose pieces together.